Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you two different ways to do the same thing. Get a 2-point line and just make a line. I'm going to get the shape tool. I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to go right here, convert it to a curve. I could have right-clicked. Then uncheck it and then check this back and you get these handles. And you can move these handles any way you want them. Now, let's make a duplicate of that and just move it out of the way for the second way. Let's make a duplicate of this one and bring it down a little bit. Then select them both and go right here to combine. Then get your shape tool and select those two nodes right here and join two nodes. Join two nodes. And then you have that shape. You can do the same thing with the Artistic Media tool. You might have a little bit more control with this, but you have a little bit more control on thickness with the Artistic Media tool. We'll get the Artistic Media tool and get this right here and get one of the presets and go down to one that looks pretty smooth. And I don't know why Corel does this, but you have to go up or down. So let's go like 1 inch. So you get the same kind of thing. The only difference I've always seen with the Artistic Media tool, that you have a kind of a real fat, where this is more evenly to do it the other way. Let's back up here to where we just have our line, and let's grab another Artistic Media brush. I think that's the best one there is, because I know for a fact that this one kind of leaves a hump in the middle. So you're kind of limited on this, but if you go with the one near the bottom, it's still thick. And the only other disadvantage of the Artistic Media tool, you should always, and for some reason you have to select it all, go up to Object, break the Artistic Media apart, and then you have your original line still there. So next time you need to draw something like this, think about doing it the first way I did it with the shape tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.